Simple Habit is a mindfulness app that provides a variety of meditation and relaxation exercises designed for users looking to improve their mental well-being. Upon visiting the website, the homepage immediately stands out with its clean and calming design. The navigation is intuitive, with clearly labeled sections that direct you to different types of content, such as daily meditations, sleep aids, and stress relief practices. The app promises quick and accessible sessions, catering to busy individuals who might only have 5 or 10 minutes to spare. One of the first things you'll notice is the breadth of the content available. Simple Habit offers meditations tailored to specific needs, like reducing anxiety, improving focus, and even preparing for a big presentation. These categories are well organized, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. There's also a search function that allows you to explore sessions based on keywords or topics, which is incredibly user-friendly. The site also highlights their team of expert instructors, each bringing their unique voice and expertise to the meditations. You can learn about each instructor through brief profiles, which adds a personal touch and helps you connect with the content on a deeper level. One standout feature is the Sleep tab. This section is dedicated to helping users wind down with specialized sleep stories, soundscapes, and bedtime meditations. The variety here is impressive, catering to different preferences for relaxation and sleep assistance. Moving on to the subscription model, Simple Habit offers both free and premium options. The free version provides access to a limited selection of sessions, while the premium subscription unlocks the entire library. Pricing is competitive compared to similar apps, though it's worth noting that some users might find the free content somewhat restrictive. The mobile version of Simple Habit is seamlessly integrated, offering the same content and functionality as the desktop site. The app is smooth and responsive, making it ideal for on-the-go use. However, some users have reported occasional bugs, such as sessions not loading correctly or the app freezing during playback. While these issues are infrequent, they are worth mentioning for a balanced review. Overall, the user experience is polished and enjoyable. Simple Habit excels in delivering a wide range of mindfulness resources in a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate format. It's particularly well-suited for individuals who are new to meditation or prefer short, focused sessions. However, the free content limitations and occasional technical glitches are potential drawbacks to consider. If you've used Simple Habit or found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.